Fast Loan Advance. Need cash fast, get quick, hassle-free loans with no hidden fees, whether it's unexpected expense or an urgent bill. Our Fast Loan Advances offer you the funds you need in record time. Apply now and experience a smooth, transparent process with flexible payment options. Don't let financial stress hold you back. Get support you need today. So hey guys, and welcome in this video. I'll show you how you can loan money on Fast Loan Advance. So right now I will give you definition of Fast Loan Advance. So what is a Fast Loan Advance? A Fast Loan Advance is designed to provide immediate financial relief for urgent needs. It offers quick access to funds with a streamlined application process, often without lengthy paperwork, ideal for unexpected expenses or emergencies. These loans come with flexible terms and fast approval, helping you address urgent financial needs efficiently. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Fast Loan Advance. As you can see, we have here various websites that explain Fast Loan Advance. We have the first one, it's Reddit, and we have Outlook, Back Credit, and then we have here fastloanadvance.net. So this is the homepage of Fast Loan Advance. So as you can see, so you write your phone number here and other personal information like your contact email, and loan purpose you choose the one you want, like the consolidation, everyday bills, and emergency credit card consolidation, and auto purchase, home improvement, then medical, business, taxes, rent or mortgage, and other. So you choose the one you want and then you pass to the next one, like would you also consider a lower amount, so you click over yes or no, and then here how much do you need, so between $200 and $500, and between $500 and $1,000, between $1,000 and $2,500, between $200 and $2,500 and $5,000, and then you get your loan. So using a Fast Loan Advance typically involves a few straightforward steps. The first step is assess your need, determine how much money you need and for what purpose. This will help you choose the right loan amount and type. Then you research lenders, find reputable lenders that offer Fast Loan Advances, compare interest rates, fees, and terms to find the best option for you. Then we have applying online or in person. Complete the application process. You'll usually need to provide personal information, proof of income, and details about your financial situation. Some lenders allow you to apply online for quicker processing. Then we have review terms. Carefully read the loan agreement, including interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan and the repayment schedule. Then we have receive funds. If approved, you will receive the funds quickly, often within 24 hours. The money is usually deposited directly into your bank account. Then we have repay the loan. Follow the repayment schedule outlined in your agreement. Make payments on time to avoid penalties and maintain a good credit history. Then we have monitor your finances. After receiving the loan, keep track of your spending and financial situation to ensure you can manage payments without additional strain. By following these steps, you can effectively use a Fast Loan Advance to address your immediate financial needs. So right now I'll give you some key benefits how you can use a Fast Loan Advance. So the first benefits here we have quick access to funds. Fast Loan Advances provide rapid access to money, often within 24 hours, which is ideal for urgent financial needs or emergencies. Then we have simple application process. The application process is usually straightforward and may be completed online, saving time and reducing paperwork. Then we have flexibility. Many fast loans offer flexible payment terms and amounts, allowing you to choose options that fit your financial situation. Then we have no collateral required. Often these loans are unsecured, meaning you don't need to provide collateral to get approved. Then we have convenience. Funds are typically deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access and use the money. Then we have credit building opportunities. If you make timely payments, it can positively impact your credit score, demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior. Then we have transparent terms. Many lenders provide clear and upfront information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, helping you make informed decisions. Then we have the last one, it's immediate relief. Fast loans can help you address urgent financial issues such as medical expenses or car repairs also or unexpected bills, providing immediate relief and peace of mind. So that's it for benefits. Right now, I will give you some fast loan advice. Consider that pieces of advice to manage it effectively. The first one is only borrow what you need. So borrow only the amount necessary to cover your immediate expense. Over borrowing can lead to higher repayment amounts and financial strain. Then we have understand the terms, carefully review the loan terms, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedule. Ensure you understand the total cost of the loan and any potential penalties for late payments. Then we have plan for repayment. Develop a clear plan for how you will repay the loan. Budget for monthly payments and ensure you have the means to meet them without compromising your essential expenses. Then we have avoid multiple loans. Try to avoid taking out multiple fast loans at once, as this can lead to financial trouble and difficulty managing repayments. Then we have check your credit. Review your credit report before applying for a loan. A good credit score can help you secure better terms and lower interest rates. Then we have keep track of spending, use the funds wisely, stick to your budget, and avoid unnecessary expenditures to ensure you can comfortably repay the loan. So by following these tips you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. Using a fast loan advance can be a practical solution for urgent financial needs, offering quick access to funds with minimal paperwork. To maximize its benefits, borrow only what you need thoroughly, understand the loan terms, and plan for timely repayments. Always choose reputable lenders and consider alternative options when possible. By managing the loan wisely and staying on top of your finances, you can address immediate expenses while maintaining financial stability. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.